Hi and Assalamualaikum to the supervisor, Prof. Mardia Dr. Noor Hasmini, and to the examiner, Puan Mardia. I am Anis Nabihah binti Abdul Halim. My matric number is A18A0061 and I am from SAR course. Today, I would like to present you about the brand image toward brand loyalty of international football team among University Malaysia Kelantan students for my final year project. As you can see in the first slide, it is the introduction of this study. The first one is brand loyalty and brand image. Brand loyalty refers to the repeated purchase of a particular product by a customer who ignores another company's competitive alternative products. Brand loyalty also a pattern of customer behavior in which customers become committed to a brand and make repeated purchase from the same brand over time. However, brand image is the perception in the mind of the customer thinking about the favorite brand, and brand image also represents a complete impression of a product or brand in the mind of customer. After that, as stated by Abdullah Al-Haddad 2015, brand image has a significant positive effect on brand loyalty. This shows that brand image influences brand loyalty. With a sustainable brand image, there will be sustainable brand loyalty. However, the effect of the brand image toward brand loyalty of international football team may be different. Since brand image and brand loyalty have a positive relation, it is necessary to do a study on this. This study aims to determine brand image toward brand loyalty of international football teams among UMK students. So, let's move on to the problem statement. The first one is disloyal football fans. This happens because whenever the football team suffer a defeat in a match, it becomes natural for a fan to feel sad and disappointed with their favorite teams. And if the result of the match turns opposite, which means lose, there is huge potential that the fans will get frustrating and some of them may get angry. This will make some fans will change their favorite team to another team just because it is not successful anymore. They start attracted secretly to the opposite team's player who show excellent performance on the field and start being a fan toward that opposite team's player. This shows that this fan is not a real fan and not committed to their favorite team. When they already feel uninterested in their favorite team players, they tend to choose and support the player from the competing team. This shows that how really important brand image is to international football teams. The brand image of the international football team influences the brand loyalty of the international football team. A good perception of the football team will keep playing in the mind of the football fan. So, the purpose of this study is to determine brand image toward brand loyalty of international football teams. After that, research objective. There are 3 research objectives in this study. The first one is to identify the brand image of the international football teams among UMK students. The second one is to identify the brand loyalty of the international football teams among UMK students. And the last one is to determine the brand image toward brand loyalty of international football teams among UMK students. Next is research questions. Research questions also contain 3 questions. The first question is, what is the brand image of the international football team among UMK students? The question number 2 is, what is the brand loyalty of the international football team among UMK students? And the last question is, how to determine the brand image toward the brand loyalty of international football teams among UMK students. So, let's move on to the literature review. The independent variable of this study is brand image. As stated by Zheng 2015, brand image is perceived as an important driving force of customer loyalty. This is because a good football team's image is very useful to make fans stay with the teams. Whenever a football team success in every match or just employ a new star player, it will become a driving force for the fans to stay loyal. After that, the dependent variable of the study is brand loyalty. According to Bauer and Friends 2008, brand loyalty ensures a more stable following even when the core product's performance falters. This is because people with high brand loyalty will be loyal to their favorite brand even they face problems. For example, football fans will stay loyal to their favorite teams even their favorite teams face a losing season. Next, Abdullah Al-Haddad 2015 mentioned in his study, brand image has a significant positive effect on brand loyalty, and this statement is being supported in his study. After that, Griff 2014 proposed in his study that the stronger the brand image, the higher the brand loyalty. In his study, the relationship between brand image and brand loyalty is significant, and this statement is supported. So let's move on to the hypothesis. There is two hypotheses in this study. The first hypothesis is there is a positive, linear and significant relationship between the benefits and psychological commitment of the international football teams. The second hypothesis is there is a positive, linear and significant relationship between attributes and behavior loyalty of the international football teams. For the next slide is research framework. This research framework shows the linkage that consists of an independent variable and a dependent variable. This indicates that the independent variable is the brand image, which contains benefits and attributes, whereas the dependent variable is brand loyalty, which contains a psychological commitment and behavioral loyalty. So, let's proceed to research method. For the hypothesis development, as stated by Bauer and Friends 2005, the greater a fan's perceived benefits, the higher his or her psychological commitment. This leads to this study's hypothesis, which is there is positive, linear and significant relationship between the benefits and psychological commitment of the international football teams. After that, as stated by Dwi Irianto and Dwi Kartikasari 2020, attributes positively influence behavioral loyalty. This leads to this study's hypothesis, which is there is a positive, linear and significant relationship between attributes and behavioral loyalty of the international football teams. For the next slide is research design. The purpose of the study can be characterized as an exploratory study, which means it is performed in the form of explorations to identify problem areas that require further research. For the type of investigation, this study used a correlational study, meaning that it studied the relationship between variables that exist in a problem. Other than that, this study also used a quantitative research method to test the stated hypothesis in this study. After that, research construct. This is the operationalization table of this study. According to this table, as stated by Bauer and Friends 2008, brand loyalty ensures a more stable following even when the core product's performance falters. And the items that used for brand loyalty is 14, and the measurement is 7 points Likert scale. As for brand image, as stated by Bauer and Friends 2008, brand image has the potential to represent one of the few constants in fans' perceptions. And the item that used for brand image is 20, and their measurement is 7 points Likert scale. Next is population and sampling procedure. The population for this study consisted of all the UMK students. With 1,000 or more students of UMK in the population, a sample size of 150 students is appropriate, and 30 outsiders were chosen for the pilot test. This study used a probability sampling technique. However, for the questionnaire designs, it contains 3 sections. The first section is section A, which is contain brand loyalty questions. For section B, contain brand image questions, and section C contains demographic profile. Next is the data collection procedure. There are 2 procedures that being used in this study, which is pilot test, and the second one is actual data collection. Last but not least is data analysis technique. This study follows step by step the data analysis technique, which the first step is collecting data and follows other steps which selection and editing, coding, and data presentation. That's all for me. Thank you for your times for listening to these presentations.